This video is designed to give you some ideas on how you can deliver personal content to the people who follow you on Snapchat, including what kind of content you can deliver and some ideas for some great personal deliveries, as well as tips on how you should deliver them. This is something that you would do individually with your followers and is designed to work with the promotion that you have going on. For example, suppose that you posted on your website that sometime in the next few days you are going to give away a certain number of free items or gift certificates, but that the people who would receive them need to be followers whom you sent a personal snap to. What you should do next is choose a specific day during that week and even choose the hours that you're going to be doing it between. Then you ramp up your advertising efforts a little during that period because you know that the people that are following you on Snapchat are paying attention because they want to get a free item and they will read your stories more frequently. This is just one way that delivering personal content can help your business. Another way that you can use personal content to grow your business is by thanking customers when they purchase something from your website by sending them a snap and then create a story with those snaps. This is a great method because all it requires is that you ask people on your order form to put in their Snapchat ID. There are many different ways out there of using personal communications to grow your business. You can try to get referrals from people who are currently following you by creating a story that tells them that they will get something at a huge discount or for free if they get a certain number of people to follow you on Snapchat. You may have to have them post on another social media network. Twitter is the best option because you may not see it on Snapchat if they snap and send you the name of a user that followed you based on their recommendation. You can ask them to post the person's Snapchat ID on Twitter with a specific hashtag, and then you can check your Snapchat followers to find out if that person has joined that day, and then you can give them credit for the follow. Another great way that you can use Snapchat is to provide your followers with some behind-the-scenes information or an inside look at something that you're doing. This has a number of benefits, first and foremost being that people who follow you on Snapchat will pay closer attention to your snaps and stories and will keep your business in mind if they need your product or service because you're already in their mind. But another benefit is that if your behind-the-scenes information is exciting and whatever you're building or doing is compelling, people are going to want to share it. There are lots of ways that you can do this. First of all, make sure that all of the other social media you use knows that you're posting exclusive behind-the-scenes information on Snapchat. And that means that if followers from your other social media platforms want to see the behind-the-scenes information, they're going to have to become followers on Snapchat as well, which gives you more followers. You can use this to get followers every time you have something that you can show behind-the-scenes information about. You can even drive traffic to your own website using Snapchat. If you snap and build stories, you can place a method for getting to your website within the story, as well as a reason for them to go there, a call to action that's going to give them some sort of benefit. You always want to make sure that you have some sort of benefit to offer them. One great way to use Snapchat to get long-term results is to direct them to your website and then have them sign up for your mailing list. That means you can now send emails, and people will look at an email for much longer than they will a tweet or a snap story most of the time. The main thing here is that you just make sure that you're always interacting with your audience. If you have something that you think would be great on Snapchat, make sure that you put it there. Make sure that you take every opportunity that you have to give people that follow you on social media some sort of inside information about your company or something that they didn't have before. If you want them to do something and follow a call to action, then make sure that you are offering some sort of benefit to do so as well. Snapchat is a great place to run contests and promotions. Many of the other businesses that are on Snapchat use this method both to say thanks, usually with discounts, and to get more followers by stirring up some excitement. So, how do you run a contest or promotion that will do well on Snapchat? The first thing that you're going to have to do is design your promotion. You need to figure out what kind of things you're going to require from the customers or followers and how you're going to set it up logistically. For example, they could add you as a friend on Snapchat and then you could request them to create a video or take a snapshot and send it to you. Now you're going to promote your contest. You can promote it in your brick and mortar store, on your own website, and on other social media platforms that you use. There are all kinds of ways that you can promote your contest, but you want to keep in mind that you have to let your followers know in a very clear fashion if you decide to use their videos later in a future promotion. The next step in the process is checking your contest entries. For example, if you had your users send you videos, one of the things that you can do to make sure that you see all of the entries is to use a third-party program to view the videos and save them to your phone. You're probably aware by now that if you use Snapchat and someone sends you a video or a snap, it's going to self-destruct in no more than 10 seconds unless they build a story with it, in which case it's going to be gone in 24 hours. From there, it's just a matter of figuring out who the winner is in your promotion, or however you designed it, with multiple winners or with everyone receiving some sort of promotional code. However you choose to create a fun and exciting promotion that your followers will like. If you do this, you'll find that the followers that you have will be much more apt to check out your snaps and videos as well as stories when you post them.